HeimerClean is not built around a manual clean button. It is a privacy-first AI optimization assistant designed for Windows PCs. Unlike traditional cleanup tools, HeimerClean operates autonomously in the background. Users can observe CPU load, memory usage, startup impact, residual files, and avoidable energy waste. The system continuously monitors operational behavior while AI manages optimization in the background. Intervention becomes transparent, structured, and autonomous. The key difference is that optimization intelligence runs directly on device. Sensitive user data never needs to leave the computer for the system to understand what should be optimized. Our goal is to transform PC optimization from a manual maintenance task into a continuous AI-driven performance layer. HeimerClean is the perfect AI assistant for individual users. And for enterprise device fleets,